In this video, I'm going to show you how to view responses in Google Forms. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up your form. So just click on it. Now, after you access your form, make sure that you accept responses and the form is a quiz. Now just click on the Responses tab. And here you can find the responses. For example, the Summary tab shows you all the responses. And if you click on Questions, you can find here answers for each question by clicking on this. And then select the question, let's say, for example, phone number, and just click on Email to find emails, as you can see here. Now, if you go ahead to the Individual tab, if you click on it, you can find here answers for each individual tab. So as you can see by the name, and here is other responses from the other person. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.